Hello, I'm Elliot from Bonavita. This right here is our new Interurban kettle. It's refreshed from our previous variable temperature kettle with a stainless steel base now. We offer a few color options for this. This one right here is the matte black version. It has the same features as our previous version, plus a new boil button that if you press, it will automatically set the kettle to a boil. To change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, all you have to do is hold down the plus and the minus button for a few seconds, and you'll see it'll toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit on there. We also have the preset temperature button with many different popular settings for temperatures that you can scroll through by just clicking the button. If you'd like to manually change the temperature, all you need to do is adjust with the plus or minus button to the desired temperature, and to hold it, just press the hold button, and once it reaches that temperature, it will hold that temperature. In order to activate the timer that is in the base, all you have to do is lift up the kettle and press the plus button, and it'll start counting up for you.